we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Bonnlo 9LBS compact front load laundry dryer. Consists of the following features: smart LCD touchscreen with multi-functions. Featured with 6 drying modes: auto, manual, eco, delicate, normal, heavy duty. All functions and operations are clearly listed on the smart LCD touch panel. Swipe your finger to select the desired mode on our excellent panel, and the light will follow your finger, which is so beautiful and technological. Powerful performance. This powerful electric dryer is featured with 1400 watt power, which can reach a maximum temperature of 149 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure your clothes to be dried quickly. It also has a spacious 2.6 cubic feet tumble and dries up to 14.5 pounds of wet clothes. Note, for quick drying, no more than 9 pounds of clothes at a time. Forward and reverse tumble actions. Forward and reverse tumble actions ensure sufficient clothes rotation, prevent tangling, remove wrinkles and restore fluffy and soft clothes. Stainless steel tub makes this clothes dryer more durable, and you can use it for a longer time. If you open the door while the machine is running, it will automatically stop running to ensure your safety. Compact and portable. The net weight of this clothes dryer is only 49 pounds, and the small size 23.6 x 17.1 x 27.5 inch, LXWXH, makes it portable. Its compact feature is perfect for small space like apartments, dormitories, RVs, and more. It can be even mounted on the wall for space saving, kit included. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.